If your walls are crooked, your tiles are off, or your cabinets just won't sit right, a self-leveling laser level fixes all of that in seconds. No guesswork, no frustration. Today, we're breaking down the best self-leveling laser levels on the market, tested for accuracy, runtime, and real-world usability. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a full-time contractor, one of these will be your new best friend on the job. Let's get into it.
What if you could lay out an entire room without moving your laser once? The Bosch GLL330CG makes that a reality, projecting 3 full 360 degrees planes simultaneously, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical. So tiling, framing, drop ceiling work, and interior finishing all happen from a single setup position.
The unaided working range stretches to 200 feet and jumps to an impressive 330 feet with the optional LR8 receiver, a serious advantage on large commercial floor plates and open warehouse interiors, where constant repositioning kills productivity.
Bosch's VisiMax technology continuously monitors laser output, automatically balancing beam brightness against battery consumption, so performance stays consistent throughout the workday. Bluetooth connectivity ties into the Bosch Leveling Remote app, letting you adjust and control the unit from across the room, a genuine time saver when working solo.
For interior contractors, finish carpenters, and commercial tile installers who demand full room coverage with minimal disruption, the GLL330CG stands alone in its class. Why pay premium brand prices when you can get the same 3-plane performance for significantly less? The Huepar GF360G delivers full 360 degrees coverage across 1 horizontal and 2 vertical planes, bringing room layout, plumb transfer, and multi-surface alignment within reach of mid-range budgets without compromising on capability. The built-in 5200 mAh lithium-ion battery powers extended work sessions, and direct plug-in operation keeps the unit running continuously on fixed job sites where downtime simply isn't an option. Switch on pulse mode and the working range pushes to approximately 200 feet with a compatible detector, more than enough for most open interior spaces. IP54 dust and splash resistance handles everyday indoor conditions reliably, while the magnetic pivoting base adapts to uneven surfaces and angled mounting positions with minimal fuss. Backed by a 5-year warranty and an impressive track record with buyers, the GF360G is the smartest value play in the 3x360 category for contractors, tile setters, and serious DIYers alike. Tired of squinting at faint red laser lines in a sun-drenched workspace? The Dewalt DW088LG self-leveling cross-line laser solves that instantly with vivid green beams that cut through bright conditions with remarkable clarity. Projecting 1 horizontal and 1 vertical line, this tool brings pinpoint accuracy to every layout task, from framing and electrical work to tile and cabinetry. With a 165 feet working range when paired with a compatible detector, it handles both tight residential spaces and sprawling commercial sites without breaking a sweat. Full-time pulse mode and IP65 rated dust and water resistance ensure consistent performance even in the harshest job site conditions. The locking pendulum safeguards the internal mechanism during transport, while the built-in magnetic bracket snaps directly onto metal studs and steel track, no extra hardware needed. For professionals who demand reliability every single day, the DW088LG simply delivers. Need a laser level that just works? No complicated setup? No charging delays? No learning curve? The Bosch GLL5020G delivers exactly that. Pop in standard AA batteries, press one button, and a sharp green cross line appears across your wall in seconds, self-leveling automatically within 5/16 inch at 30 feet. The 50-feet projection range covers virtually every interior task a homeowner or tradesperson encounters, from hanging cabinets
cabinets and shelving to aligning trim and wall fixtures. The integrated magnetic mount locks directly onto metal surfaces, eliminating the need for a separate stand or additional hardware. IP55 rated dust and splash resistance keeps the unit protected through typical interior construction conditions, while the compact, lightweight build means it disappears into a tool bag without taking up valuable space. For homeowners tackling weekend renovations, handyman handling cabinet and trim work, or tradespeople who simply need a dependable grab-and-go crossline laser, the GLL 5020G is the no-fuss choice that consistently delivers. Why spend more when a budget laser level can already handle everything most homeowners actually need? The Skil LL9322G01 punches well above its price tag, delivering a full 360 degrees green horizontal beam that wraps around an entire room from one fixed position. No repositioning, no guesswork. The built-in lithium-ion battery charges through a standard micro USB connection, so replacement batteries never make it onto the shopping list. Beam lock mode disables auto-leveling when angled layouts like raked ceilings or diagonal tile runs require it, adding versatility that competing budget models rarely bother to include. Perhaps the biggest win at this price is what comes inside the box. A tripod is included, an accessory that quietly adds cost on most rival options. With a 100 feet indoor working range, the LL9322G01 handles picture rails, backsplash installations, and multi-wall shelving alignment with ease. For cost-conscious homeowners, this is simply the smartest buy in the category. And that wraps up our picks for the best self-leveling laser levels. Whether you're leveling floors, hanging cabinets, or tackling a full renovation, one of these will make the job faster and far more precise. All the links are waiting for you down in the description box. Go check them out. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.